Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to run a Perl program in macOS. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. One of the things that I have learned while using macOS operating system from Apple in my MacBook Air 2024 is that Perl, Ruby, this programming language is already built in on the operating system. I'm using right now macOS Big Sur. So in my terminal window, we are here on the directory Perl. We can check by issuing a command in the command line pwd or print working directory. So we are here users MacBook Air Perl. Now to run a Perl program in macOS, so I have here a very simple demonstration. No? Let's say we will create a Hello World program. So using Nano, I will type hello dot pl. PL is the extension. Actually, in Bash or even in macOS terminal, because this is a derivative no of Unix, without extension it will work. But for the sake of learning and right coding convention, we will follow that we will put some extension. So hello.pl, press enter key. So it will open up our GNU Nano. So let's say for example print open parentheses double quotation, which a new line to new line, and then we will type hello world in Perl to backslash n new line double quotation close semicolon, and then from our keyboard we will save our work by pressing command O, and then it will ask us no wait control O. Okay, sorry for that. Control O, not Command O in the terminal. It will ask us file name to write hello PL. Press return key or enter key, and then Control X to return. Exit in our Nano editor. Return to our terminal window. To verify, we issue the command cat or concatenation space hello.pl. Press the enter key. It will display this command. No, print hello world in Perl. So to execute, we simply type the Perl interpreter, Perl space hello.pl. Do not forget the extension PL. Press the enter key. So we have here hello world in Perl. That's it guys. It's easy. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to run a Perl program in macOS. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you have some questions, kindly leave in the comment section of our tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.